channel Miss Ivy98. My name is Alexis, and in today's video we're going to be making a Starbucks purse. I hope you guys enjoy. You're going to need newspaper, tissue paper, any size cup, as well as a lid, school glue, an empty container, and some plastic wrap. For this next step, I have a container filled with water. To the water, you're going to add some school glue. You're going to mix it together. You're going to cut out some strips of newspaper as well as tissue paper. You're going to need the plastic wrap cup as well. This is what it looks like, filled with the tissue paper strips. I just put the lid on top so it could support it and hold it all together. Now I'm going to get the newspaper strips. I'm going to dip it into the glue and water mixture. Then I'm going to layer it on top of the tissue paper. You can add as many layers as you want. I added 5 if you're just wondering. And here's what it looks like after it has been drying for a few minutes. You're going to need a piece of cardboard, some scissors, a marker to trace, as well as a glue gun and some glue sticks, a cloth, After you cut out your circle, you're going to be cutting it in half. Now you are going to put a straight line in the center. You're going to do it to both sides. You can either use an X-Acto knife or a pair of scissors to cut it in half. Once you cut it in half, I'm going to glue the circles that were in half to each side of the cup. Now you're going to take your piece of stretchy cloth and a pair of scissors. Once you have 2 pieces of cloth, you're going to take one of the pieces, fold it in half, and cut it with the scissors. You're going to need a paper clip. For the paper clip, we're going to be using that as our bag chain holder. You're going to wrap the paper clip twice until you have a circle in the center. You're going to clamp that together. And this is what it will look like. you're going to need 2 pieces of felt. You're going to need a tan felt and a white felt. After your cup is entirely covered, you're going to be adding your details. Be cutting a circle out of green felt, and with the white felt you're going to be adding your Starbucks logo. 3 black strips with felt, and glue that to the sides. You're going to need a piece of cardboard, a bowl, some spackle, and a piping bag. After you cut out your cardboard, you're going to put some spackle in the bowl, mix it together, add it to your piping bag, and this is what it will look like. To it, you're going to add your chocolate sauce, and here it is on one side. To make the chocolate sauce, you're going to need some tacky glue, 2 different types of paint. You're going to need black paint, you're going to need a brown paint, and you're going to need some school glue. And this is what it looks like. Going to need some white felt, some Velcro, a chain, and your glue gun. After your whipped topping has dried completely, you're going to glue the back of it. After you're done, you're going to cover the cardboard with the rest of the remaining felt. Add your chain to the sides. This is the final result. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe. If you like more videos like this, leave a comment down below.